Well, I've arrived in Delhi and you just would not believe this place. It's absolute mayhem. This is the New Delhi railway station. No traffic rules whatsoever, just drive anywhere. British High Commission.
This is a city bus tour organised by Delhi Transport Corporation.
This is the World Heritage Site of Qutub, Minar. We're visiting this morning.
Qutub Minar is constructed started by Qutubuddin Aibak, but it's not completed by the one ruler, one century or one dynasty. Started by Qutubuddin Aibak, then second and third story built by their successor, son-in-law, that is Samsuddin Iltutmish, and fourth and fifth.
Qutub Minar is an excellent example of Afghan architecture. The Minar itself is 72.5 metres high and is a victory tower, the construction of which began in the final year of the 12th century by Qutub Aibak and was later completed by his successors.
This is inside the mosque. Still appears to be under construction as far as I can see.
वो जाना तू क्यों नहीं जाएगा अरे पत्थर के सामने का अच्छा ठीक है पत्थर के सामने
This is our tour coach, Government of Delhi. Some roadside encampments here just beside the main road while we're waiting in the traffic.
बड़ी वाली